Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will show you how to burn DPR for credit. This feature is for anyone whose device has been offline for a certain period of time. Maybe you're moving or traveling and you haven't met the daily requirements. After a few days, you may lose some credit. Well, in the Wallet Manager tab, you can click on Burn DPR for credit to regain back any lost credit.
First, log into Atom OS. Once you've logged in, on the left, click on Mining, Wallet, and then Wallet Manager. Once the Wallet Manager page loads, take a look at your current credit and your max credit.
If there's a discrepancy between the current credit score and your max credit score, that means you can burn DPR for credit to get your current up to your max credit score.
To burn DPR for credit, click on Burn DPR for credit. Use the slider to see how much credit you want to gain back and how much DPR you'll pay for. 1 credit is worth 50 DPR. Once you click OK, enter your wallet password and then click Continue. After a brief moment, the transaction will be completed. You have now burned DPR for credit. You can see that my current credit is now my max credit.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.